Kahinub, golden earth. Canopus is the brightest star in the Carina constellation, the major axis of the Kaaba in Mecca aligns with the rising of the star Canopus. Around 310 light years from the sun, Canopus is a bright giant with a luminosity over 10,000 times the luminosity of the sun, is 8 times as massive, and has expanded to 71 times the sun's radius. Undergoing core helium burning, it is currently in the blue loop phase of its evolution, having already passed through the red giant branch after exhausting its hydrogen core. Canopus is a source of X-rays, which are likely emitting from its corona. The prominent appearance of Canopus made it subject of mythological lore among many ancient peoples. Its name originates from Canopus, a navigator for Menelaus, king of Sparta. Canopus was known to the ancient Mesopotamians and represented the city of Eridu. Canopus was called Mul-Nunki by the Babylonians, which translates as Star of the City of Eridu, the southernmost and one of the oldest Sumerian cities. Canopus was not visible to the Greeks and Romans. Visible to the ancient Egyptians, a priestly poet in the time of Thutmose III mentions the star as Karbana, the star which pours his light in a glance of fire when he disperses the morning dew. Its acronical rising marked the time of the Tort or Ipit festival, when Amun, Mut, and their son Khons made a ritual journey from Karnak to Luxor. Ipit raced. The festival scenes carved during Tutankhamun's reign show priests carrying the statues of Amun, Mut, and Khons in barks through ancient Thebes onto Luxor, where they remained for 24 days before returning. A direct survival of the ancient festival is seen in the present-day feast of the Muslim holy man, Sheikh Yusuf al-Hagag, whose boat is carried about Luxor amid popular celebration. His mosque stands in the Luxor temple over the foundations of a Byzantine church. Through Mut, the name Ipet was also a birthing goddess of Thebes, similar to Tort. A ruined ancient Egyptian port named Canopus after this star lies at the battle site of the mouth of the Nile. Its name is derived from Egyptian Coptic Kahi-Nub, golden earth, which refers to how the star would have appeared near the horizon in ancient Egypt. Yellow-tinged Canopus, Wazn Hadar, weight ground, was Suhel or Suhail in medieval times. The southeastern wall of the Kaaba in Mecca is aligned with the rising point of Canopus and is named Janub. The Bedouin people of the Negev and Sinai knew Canopus as Suhail and used it and Polaris as the two principal stars for navigation at night. Canopus is essential for space navigations, which use a Canopus star tracker plus a sun sensor for attitude determination. In ancient India, it was Agastya, the Vedic sage. For Chinese, it was the old man of the South Pole. Canopus is identified as the Moeti ancestor Wa, crow, to some Kuri people in southeastern Australia. The Burong people of northwestern Victoria recall that Canopus was the brother of Sirius, and that he brought fire from the heavens and introduced it to humanity. The Pirt Kopanut people of Western Victoria tell of Wa, crow, Canopus falling in love with the queen, Gnianga, wedge-tailed eagle, Sirius, and her 6 attendants, the Pleiades. In popular culture, planet Arrakis of June orbits Canopus. It is the second brightest star in the night sky, designated Alpha Carinae and Alpha Argus, with a visual magnitude outshone only by Sirius. In the southern hemisphere, Canopus and Sirius are visible simultaneously and reach a meridian just 21 minutes apart. No star closer than Canopus is more luminous, and it has been the brightest in Earth's sky during 3 epochs over the past 4 million years. Other stars appear brighter only when passing the solar system closer than Canopus. About 90,000 years ago, Sirius became brighter than Canopus and will remain so for another 210,000 years. But in 480,000 years, as Sirius moves further away, Canopus will once again be the brightest and will remain so for 510,000 years.